So in problem number 4, a data center in a high altitude city. The pressure is 12.3 psi, uses adiabatic humidification for summer cooling. The intake air is 95 degree Fahrenheit DBT and 10% relative humidity. The system must reach a supply temperature of 72 degree Fahrenheit. So first, determine the required humidification efficiency. So this is my solution. We have a following given, and the formula for the efficiency is N is equal to dBT minus dWT over dBT minus WBT. So if we substitute the values, then calculate, we can get the answer of 0.73 or 73%. Then the next question is the mass flow rate, ECFM. So the formula for mass is mass over 0.24 minus dBT minus 32. Then we convert the 50 tons into BTU hour. Then by cancelling out the unit, we can get the answer of 108,685.6 pounds per hour. Then we convert it and we divide it by 0.0597 for the pressure. Then we can get the answer of 30,344. For the number 5 rather, a clean room requires air to be delivered at 22 degrees Celsius and 50% Fahrenheit relative humidity. The outside air is at 38 degrees Celsius and 15% relative humidity. So the system utilizes a sensible cooling coil followed by an adiabatic air washer with an efficiency of 90%. Then the question is, determine the intermediate temperature to which the air must be sensibly cooled by the coil. So this is my solution. We have the following given, and the formula is just N is equal to Tc minus T final over Tc minus T initial. Then by substituting the value, we can get the answer of the temperature coil at 25 degrees Celsius. Then for the heat load is just MC times delta H. Then we have the values for the enthalpy, which is 75 and 50. So we just substitute the value and we can get the answer of 185 kilowatts. For the last number, a facility currently uses mechanical refrigeration and steam humidification to reach a state of 75 degree Fahrenheit and 50% relative humidity from ambient condition of 95 degree Fahrenheit and 65 degree Fahrenheit wet bulb temperature. So the task is calculate the total energy output in BTU per hour, and we have the COP of 3.3 and steam enthalpy of 1160 BTU per pounds. So this is my solution. We have the following given and with respective humidity or W rather. So first, we calculate the Q, which is the mass is 10,000 times delta H, which is 40 minus 28. So we can get the answer of 120,000 BTU per hour. Then to get the work, we just need to divide the Q load over the COP, which is 3. Then the Q of 120,000 rather. So we can get the answer of work input in 40,000 BTU per hour. So that's all.